Sir Isaac Newton, in the 17th century, proposed 3 laws that defined the fundamental principles of celestial mechanics. These laws have helped us understand how the universe operates, and have become one of the cornerstones of modern physics. Newton's first law of motion states that if an object does not move on its own or change its motion, it will continue to maintain its state. This means that in the absence of friction or any other external force, an object will continue its motion indefinitely. The second law of motion states that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied to it, and occurs in the direction of that force. This law is expressed by the formula F equals m*A, where F represents the applied force, m represents the object's mass, and A represents its acceleration. The third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, when a rocket expels gas, the rocket itself moves in the exact opposite direction. These laws of motion explain how planets move around the Sun, how the Moon orbits the Earth, and even how spacecraft maneuver in space. Newton also defined the law of gravitation. This law states that the gravitational force between 2 objects is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This explains how the Sun attracts planets, and why objects on the surface fall. These principles are still used today in space research, engineering, and many technological applications. Newton's revolutionary ideas were compiled in his work Philosophiæ Naturalis Principia Mathematica, and this work is considered one of the foundational stones of physics.